There's a fallacy in holding losing stocks, hoping that your stock will come back because, quote, you're a long-term investor. We have a simple rule of thumb that sounds kind of funny, but it's really true. All stocks are bad unless they go up. If your stock's not going up, there's a problem. It's a bad stock, and you need to react to that. Not hold and say, I've got a great company. Citicorp has branches all around the world. They're big, they're too big to fail. The government's going to bail them out. The stock still went to $1. A personal pet peeve of mine is when I hear this, you can't time the market. It comes out in the chart. You can see the price and volume relationship when it's breaking down. It is not that hard to time the market. And yet, so many people will just sit with losing stocks, hoping. But individual investors can exit and re-enter easily. We don't have to go over the proverbial cliff because the market is going against us. We simply exit, we wait for the conditions to improve, and then we re-enter. And that is timing the market. Averaging down. I would recommend that you never, ever average down. Averaging down is where you buy a stock, say at 50, goes down to 45 and you buy more. Then it goes down to 40 and you buy more because you know that it's a really great company. And so you want more of it, plus you're getting it cheaper. But what are you really doing? You're buying a stock that's plummeting. You're buying into a downtrend. We need to eliminate all emotions. We want to stick with facts, do our fundamental analysis on the company, and we want to consult a chart as to whether we're in an uptrend or downtrend in the market. And those things in combination can make us very successful in the market.